Told you I'd be back. Hi everybody. Welcome back to the Nerd Cave. I am Justin the Geek, and yeah, I'm back. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video. Well, it's been about a year, but I figured I'd jump back into it and start off with a review of this here. This is my MSI GF65 Thin gaming laptop, and it's been my daily driver for work and on the go for probably 16 months. And so far it's met my expectations. It hasn't let me down yet, so let's dive in and I'll tell you a little bit about it. The MSI GF65 Thin has Intel's 10th Gen Core i7 CPU with 6 cores and 12 threads. It boasts a 15% performance boost over previous Intel generations. The MSI GF65 is an all-around decent laptop for casual gaming and content creation, whether that's light video or picture editing. This laptop also comes with 8 gigs of RAM and NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1660 Ti CPU, or GPU rather. The 15.6-inch 144Hz IPS display makes most games look pretty damn good. As far as storage goes, you won't have much of a problem out of the included 512GB NVMe SSD. And at just 14.1 pounds, it's light enough to be carried around on the go or to be thrown at you by an angry spouse. You can find it on Amazon and Walmart.com for between $800 and $900 USD. Now, let's jump into some benchmarks. As far as benchmarks goes, I used Cinebench R23, Unique Heaven Engine, and Far Cry 5 with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080. To start off with Cinebench R23, running Windows 10 build version 19044, test duration of 10 minutes, I got a multi-score of 6932 and a single core score of 1185. For the Unique Heaven benchmark test with high quality, no tessellation or anti-aliasing, I got an average FPS of 140.8, a minimum FPS of 38.2, and a maximum FPS of 256.3. As far as Far Cry 5 goes, with high settings, anti-aliasing off, and no motion blur, I got an average FPS of 70, a minimum FPS of 55, and a maximum FPS of 84. Well, there you have it. As I said, it's a decent all-around gaming laptop or light video editing laptop. It's been decent for me over the last year and a half. If you're interested in it, I will drop the links to the Amazon listing and for the product review on MSI's website in the description below. And if you would like to see more content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Until next time, later.